Alright, statistics for moves 6 to 9 based on over 10 million games. The evaluation is store.
C5.
Knight F3.
D6.
D8. Store.
C captures on D4.
Knight captures on D8. Store.
Knight F6.
Knight C3.
A6.
F. Store.
E6.
Queen F3.
Queen B6.
Knight B3.
Queen C7.
A. Store.
B6.
Bishop D8. 3.
Bishop B7.
Castle's kingside.
Bishop E7.
Bishop D8. 2.
Knight C6.
Well, A. 1.
Knight B4.
Queen D3.
Knight captures on D3.
C. Captures on D8. 3.
Castle's kingside.
F5.
King H8.
Queen H3.
E captures on F5.
Queen captures on F5.
Rook A8.
King H1.
Bishop D8.
Knight D8. Store.
Queen C5.
Knight C2.
Bishop C8.
Queen F. Store.
Bishop D7.
B3.
D5.
Well, C1.
Queen E7.
Knight G3.
D. Captures on E4.
Knight D8 F5.
Queen E5.
Queen captures on A5.
Rook captures on E5.
Bishop C3.
Rook C5.
D8 captures on A4.
King G8.
Bishop D8
Rook captures on C1.
White captures on C1.
Knight captures on E4.
Knight captures on G7.
Knight captures on G3. Check.
H captures on G3.
Bishop G4.
White F1.
Bishop C7.
Knight F5.
Bishop captures on F5.
White captures on F5.
Rook D8.
Bishop F6.
Rook D3.
White G5. Check.
King F8.
King H2.
Rook captures on B3.
King H3.
Rook A3.
White G4.
King E8.
Bishop H4.
F5.
White G7.
Bishop D6.
White D7.
Rook A1.
King H2.
Rook captures on A4.
If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.